Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric dirt bikes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Segway Ninebot electric dirt bike. If you want an electric dirt bike with power and performance, the Segway Ninebot electric dirt bike is an excellent all-around choice. This electric dirt bike delivers exceptional off-road performance thanks to a 280-watt motor with peak torque of 23.6 pound-feet that can reach speeds of over 31 miles per hour. This dirt bike can climb slopes of 35 degrees, travel a distance of over 40 miles, and sprint from 0 to 31 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. It's lightweight, weighing just 105.8 pounds, but it can still tackle tough terrain of all kinds. It rides with a dual drive system for increased torque, superior shock reduction, and great stability. There are even field-oriented controls that will stabilize your ride over any surface, and it can adapt to your habits with regular use. Moving on at number 4, we have Caba Kids electric battery-powered ride on motorcycle dirt bike toy. If you have young dirt bike riders in your household, they'll love the Caba Kids electric dirt bike. Caba Kids electric dirt bike. Designed to simulate realistic dirt bike riding for kids ages 3 to 6 years old, this electric dirt bike moves when the handle button is pressed and stops when it's released. With 2 side wheels or training wheels, in addition to its front and back wheels, this is the perfect training bike. It's powered by a 6-volt motor and rear-wheel drive, and kids can drive it on asphalt, brick roads, mud, or even rutted dirt. With a top speed of 1.25 miles per hour, this dirt bike delivers a realistic experience at a safe speed. The bike runs on a battery to deliver 45 minutes of fun. It features brightly colored decals, working headlights, and built-in sounds to mimic the appearance of a real, full-size dirt bike. At number 3, we have Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket Electric Motocross Bike. This battery-powered electric motocross dirt bike is designed for younger riders who are 12 or 13 years old or older with a maximum weight capacity of 140 pounds. It's a scaled-down motocross bike with a frame geometry that's similar to an authentic dirt bike. It has a single speed, a chain-driven motor, a twist grip throttle for maximum power and control, 12-inch pneumatic knobby tires, and a hand-operated rear brake. The bike travels up to 14 miles per hour and provides battery power for up to 30 minutes, so it's perfect for youngsters who want to dabble with off-road adventures. The bike's dual suspension and adjustable riser handlebars increase control. It's very quiet, affordable, and comes in 3 colors. The manufacturer also provides a 90-day warranty. At number 2, we have Massimo MB200 trail bike. The iconic and patented MB200 has arrived. The MB200 is the premier mini bike on the market today, quality and easy to operate. Rev up your adventure-filled weekends with speeds up to 24 miles per hour. Powerful 196cc 4-stroked, air-cooled engine surpasses virtually any other mini bike on the market. Dual front suspension cushions the ride while the large and wide off-road tires increase ground clearance and improve traction. Forget about all of your constant refueling worries because this bike has a large capacity fuel tank. The MB200 arrives to your doorstep pre-assembled, add some gas, attach the handlebars and you'll be on your way. The MB200 comes with a 6-month parts-only coverage. 1. 250cc dirt bike. This 250cc motorcycle might not be registered for on-road use in NY, PA and FL, please check with your local DMV. A stylish high-performance exhaust pipe included on this bike is designed to enhance both performance and style to the bike. This front 80/100s-21 and rear 110/100s-18 fat tire, more traction. Big wheel, huge size at 82.3, L x 36.2, W by 55.1, H provide the roomy and comfortable riding experience for the driver. Motocross style seat is relative low and comfortable, and allows maximum rider movement. Some assembly required. Assembly for dirt bikes include handlebar brackets, wheels, brakes, number plate and fender. may differ per model. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.